Hello guys, welcome to my another vlog. So today I'm going to install new SSD fog lights, which I received 2-3 days back, but I didn't get time to install that. So today I was at home, so I thought, so let's go to the service center and install it. So let's see how it works and how.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame.
If we talk about this event screen, I'm well satisfied with this because at the high speed above 120 it keeps steady and doesn't shake or any vibration. So yes, it's cool to have it.
Stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm
अच्छा बताइए।
और बढ़िया। कहाँ गए हैं?
वो लंच पे गए हुए हैं।
लंच कुछ फॉगलाइट लगवानी थी तुम्हें? फॉगलाइट लगवानी थी इसमें।
तो सोनू भैया तो अभी है नहीं।
तो कहाँ गए?
कौन सी दिखाना फॉगलाइट? कौन सी?
फॉगलाइट तो मैंने भी अभी खोल के नहीं देखी है। बढ़िया है।
अरे ये सिस्टम है इसका, तो वही लगाएंगे सोनू भैया ये से। तो इसे देख के मैं सोचा थोड़ा इजी होगा तो मैं लगाऊंगा। क्योंकि वो है ना यही इलेक्ट्रॉनिक जो भी सिस्टम है सोनू भैया ही देता है। तो वो अभी गए हुए हैं शादी में, तो वो 26 तक ही आएंगे। ये इसका फ्लैशर हुआ है, फ्लैशर है ना ये?
हाँ।
ये इसी का फ्लैशर, लाइटें भी चेंज हो जाती हैं। ये लगी हैंडल पे। ये बैटरी वाले ये है ना।
ये दोनों रिलेशन से है और ये बैटरी का है। इसका हो गया, ये इसका हो गया हैंडल पे। हाँ, कॉम्प्लिकेटेड तो नहीं है वैसे।
वही तो ये किसका दे दिया है? ये लाइट में भी नहीं है, ये तो बैटरी वाले अलग ही
ये तो बैटरी का हो गया।
है।
ये सीट के लिए
लग जाएंगे, बट ये नहीं समझ आ रही है।
देखते हैं।
And we have figured it out that this wire will connect to the ignition, so whenever I will turn on ignition it will pass the current, otherwise it will not on when it's standing or parking. And we are using this laggard to drill so that we can fit the fog light on it. So work has been completed. Let's see how it looks. And here I turn it on. Oh damn, that's really bright even in evening when there is sun outside. This is pressure and this is tone, and yes, I like the way it works. So let's see how it looks from the front. Yeah, so bright. So boxes have been fitted and it's still bright day outside. I need to wait for the check its output. So let's go and see how it works. Let's see a little bit how it works. Oh yes, it's very nice. Wow. What is that? Oh, that's box, but it was looking like panniers from behind. Okay, let it check one more time. Oh yes, it's really nice. Damn, look at the sky. It really looking very nice and so glittering as it is gold in the sky. Sorry guys, but I really can't control my emotions. I can't wait for the night to come. You really can see my excitement on the road. Okay, let's turn it off now. As you can see, I am on highway now, and brightness of this auxiliary lights is really impressive. You can see all the pumps very clear. So yes, I think I spent my money on the right product. Yes, I can see a difference. I need to adjust these slides in the proper place so that I can extend its spreading area, and it can high beam to the straight upper. So yes, on the highway it also has good visibility, and yes, I like its strobe and flasher mode. So I think you also like my video and the way my auxiliary light working. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, very boo.